Natural light plays a major role in how your home looks, feels, and functions. In Pasadena, where sunshine is abundant for much of the year, maximizing natural light can make your living spaces more inviting, comfortable, and energy efficient. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by upgrading to modern patio doors. Patio doors are designed with large glass panels that allow sunlight to flow freely into your home. Compared to traditional doors or smaller windows, they create a wider opening that brings in significantly more natural light. This simple upgrade can transform the atmosphere of your home, making rooms feel brighter and more open. One of the biggest benefits of patio doors is their ability to illuminate entire living areas. Whether installed in a family room, dining space, or kitchen, they allow light to reach deeper into your home. In Pasadena homes, this added brightness can reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, helping you save energy while creating a more natural and pleasant environment. The design of patio doors also helps create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. With clear, expansive glass, you can enjoy views of your backyard, garden, or patio while letting in natural light. This connection enhances the overall feel of your home, making it seem larger and more integrated with its surroundings. Sliding patio doors are especially effective at maximizing light. Their wide glass panels and minimal framing allow for unobstructed views and maximum sunlight. French patio doors, on the other hand, offer a more traditional look with multiple glass panes, still providing plenty of light while adding a touch of elegance. Both options can be customized to match your home's style while improving brightness. Another advantage is the way patio doors enhance the sense of space. Natural light makes rooms feel larger and more open, even in smaller areas. By replacing a standard wall or smaller window with patio doors, you can create a more expansive and airy environment without major structural changes. Energy efficiency is also an important consideration. While patio doors bring in more light, modern designs are built with insulated glass and advanced coatings that help control heat transfer. In Pasadena's warm climate, this means you can enjoy the benefits of natural light without excessive heat entering your home. This helps maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing the strain on your cooling system. Placement plays a key role in maximizing the benefits of patio doors. Installing them in areas that receive the most sunlight, such as south or west-facing walls, can help you capture more daylight throughout the day. Strategic placement ensures you get the most value from your investment while enhancing both light and comfort. Ventilation is another added benefit. While the primary focus is on natural light, patio doors can also be opened to allow fresh air into your home. This improves airflow and indoor air quality, creating a more comfortable living environment. On mild Pasadena days, this can reduce the need for air conditioning and further enhance your home's efficiency. Durability and low maintenance add to their appeal. Modern patio doors are built with materials that resist wear, fading, and moisture, ensuring they continue to perform well over time. Clean glass surfaces also allow maximum light to pass through, so keeping them well maintained helps preserve their brightness. In addition to functional benefits, patio doors enhance your home's overall design. Their sleek, modern appearance complements a wide range of architectural styles, adding both value and visual appeal. Whether you prefer a contemporary or classic look, patio doors can be tailored to fit your home's aesthetic. Professional installation is essential to achieving the best results. Proper alignment and sealing ensure your patio doors perform efficiently while maximizing light and comfort. A well-installed door not only looks better but also provides long-term reliability. Ultimately, patio doors offer a simple yet powerful way to enhance natural light in Pasadena homes. They brighten your living spaces, create a stronger connection to the outdoors, and improve overall comfort. If you're looking to make your home feel more open, inviting, and energy efficient, upgrading to patio doors is a smart investment that delivers lasting benefits you'll enjoy every day.